So we'll bring Z and Yi up on stage, and we'll be playing that presentation for meal deals. Thank you.
Everyone, my name's Yining and this is Ziheng, and together we build Meal Deals. Meal Deals is the all-in-one grocery planner to help you cut down on your grocery bill and plan your weekly dinners. But first, let us tell you a little bit about ourselves. We're both studying computer science at the University of Sydney, and we're international students from Malaysia. As university students settling into Australia for the first time, we've come across a challenge that every Australian faces. How do you make the most of your weekly grocery budget without having to cook the same 2 dishes over and over every week? Well, Meal Deals is the perfect solution to that problem. Every week, each major Australian supermarket sets weekly special offers on an ever-rotating selection of products. Taking advantage of these offers means checking up to 3 different apps to catch the weekly catalogs, coming up with new recipes, and having to manually compare product prices across supermarket chains. But most people simply don't have the time for that. And as a result, we miss out on deals that could save us up to $20 a week. In just a month, that could mean saving an extra $80 on your monthly expenses.
Instead, Meal Deals offers a platform that consolidates the current supermarket deals. You choose the products you're interested in, and from those ingredients, Meal Deals generates recipes perfectly tailored to your preferences. To show you what we mean and just see how easy Meal Deals is, here's the front page for Meal Deals. Here, you browse all the offers from your favorite supermarkets, all on one page. It lets you sort by brand, shows you the prices for each product across all supermarkets, and calculates how much you're saving, all with a few clicks. Then, once you've selected the ingredients you're interested in, it generates brand new recipes from those ingredients. Each recipe comes with nutrition data, cook time, detailed steps, and difficulty level. You can save recipes you want to make again to your profile, and in the future, even check what recipes your friends and favorite influencers are cooking up. Now let's see how Meal Deals work in the background. These 4 files make up Meal Deals front end. This is the landing page, the main page, profile page, and subscription page. And there's a not found page to catch unexpected links. For the framework, we use React with Tailwind CSS for super clean styling. This means our UI is responsive on all devices and simple to update and improve. For the backend, here's where Meal Deals integrated AI does its magic. When the user clicks Generate Recipe, this code sends an API call to prompt Olama with the list of users' chosen ingredients. Olama responds with the recipes, and we parse this output by extracting the different components in order to present it cleanly on the front end for the user.
Meal Deals is an app with so much more room to grow. Going forward, we're planning to further develop Meal Deals' social aspects and its peripheral features. Meal Deals could integrate location data to highlight supermarkets on your after-work commute and check in-stock data at those branches, or by integrating payment gateways, even order your groceries for you. We also plan to collaborate with beloved food influencers to host their premium verified recipes on Meal Deals. Instead of spending hours scrolling around social media platforms to look for the perfect recipe from your favorite cooking influencer, Meal Deals' AI could recommend recipes that take maximum advantage of the current offers. Meal Deals is truly the future of grocery shopping and home cooking, and it's the next step in our current world of efficiency and health. It could save Australians hundreds of dollars, allow us to eat healthier and more diversely, and bond over a part of life we all share. We hope you can see just how much potential Meal Deals has as the next big innovation in the world of cooking. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Yining, this is Ziheng, and this is Meal Deals.
Wow, another great presentation. Thank you so much, Meal Deals. We'll hand over to the judges and then the community to ask questions.
I'll go first. Guys, it's a very, very, very good solution. Fantastic presentation. Congratulations. So I really like when people find like real world problems. I think it's a great problem that I think relate to you guys, which is really good. And also your presentation structured really well. I think you spend a little bit more time actually perfecting the product as well. The front end looks really good. So my feedback for you guys, you mentioned about the influencers. If you thinking about doing more personalization, how are you thinking of personalization when it's come to uh, allowing users to have some inputs versus collecting inputs from the users versus how do you thinking of getting providing some personalized recommendations. So how do you thinking of creating that solution for the user?
So there are a couple ways we could do this. I think it's quite common for people, for home cooks, to have a couple favorite influencers they always go to for recipes who they trust. So that's one of the ways we could do when you create an account on Meal Deals. You could select from a list of influencers saying, oh, these are the influencers I already trust. And Meal Deals could not only prioritize those influencers, but also connect you with influencers who create the same kind of food, the same kind of tastes. Another thing you could do is dietary restrictions. People are on keto diets, gluten free, low carb. All of these diet choices could go into Builders AI to help it decide what recipes are right for you. And you could tell it, I feel like eating this cuisine today. Uh, of course, because it's connected with an account, when you save recipes, it could put that into its training data as well to decide, oh, I see that this person likes this specific type of recipe, these types of ingredients cooked these ways, and that's how it could choose better choices as you use it.
Fantastic.
Uh, I will go next. Great product. Although these days people don't like to cook much, but it's a great product for people who want to cook. Normally, I've seen two types of products. Right, one is in grocery stores. You have like especially in online grocery stores, you have like or these grocery stores aggregators. You like Uber Eats. You have like, oh, I want to eat this food, so they just add all the ingredients to your basket and you check out. That's one. Second is like these health influencers or health apps where you can say they just give you the diet plan and you have the meal. There is not much recipe there, right? What I'm understanding is at your site, user can decide their preferences and also based on that preference, it automatically cooks up a recipe and then it gives them an option of okay you want to do this and then when they say I want to do this, I'm just trying to understand the product better first before I ask the question, and then they say okay here are the list of groceries that you will need to for this, and then you will just apply that. Does so the question is, does it buys automatically for me, or does it and if yes, or can the user buy add them all manually to the cart and then also do a checkout? If yes, then how do you source these APIs and data price data from these grocery stores? How do you or you have active integration or you plan to have them?
So for this, we haven't integrated it yet, but it's definitely in the plan to, as we said in the video, integrate payment gateways to buy your groceries for you. But currently, Meal Deals is just a platform to show you all the deals and show you the possible recipes from that. But yes, integrating
But
built in.
do you get the feeds from like say Walmart or any of these grocery giants or local stores? How do you input the price for each of these groceries into it? Forget about checkout.
Yeah. So in the production version, we're planning to collaborate with the grocery stores to use their official APIs to make sure we have all this official data and the current, most recent data.
I'll go next if that's all right. So I think I love the app. I think it's more useful. It's useful across the board, not necessarily just students. Anybody who's time poor can use it. One feature I would love to see in an app like this is if I can take a photo of my fridge, inside my fridge, and then it looks at the inventory and says, you don't need to buy these, you just need to buy this. And I can maintain that inventory on the app. So I'm forced, or you're orchestrating my my inventory, kitchen inventory. So I have to use your app to do all of the purchases. That gives you, that orchestration will give you a higher monetization opportunity. That's just a thought.
Over to you, Peter. I think.
Yeah, and definitely working with those grocery markets for the B2B business model. I think, yeah, the people that are trying to save on their groceries would love to save, won't have the capacity to spend on a subscription or anything like that, or as much. But yeah, definitely the groceries would love to get out there and help fill those fridges, like Guru was saying.
Great. Thank you, judges. I think we have a community question coming. Here it is for Meal Deals. What business opportunities do you see here? Affiliate partnerships, recipe marketplaces, or loyalty integrations? I know we did talk about influencers, but yeah, please elaborate on this question.
Okay, so we have a free plan and a premium plan, which has more features inside it. So this is one of the business opportunities. And another thing is we are planning to somehow make money from this. Is like if the app, if this website helps to like save maybe some money from your budget, and maybe the website will take a percentage of the money as the, how to say, the benefit from the website, something like this. Yeah. And Yining, do you have anything to add on?
Yeah, and for the influencer collaborations, maybe there'll be some commission involved, because a lot of the things that the influencers will be providing to Meal Deals, they already do on social media platforms, so it's not much cost to them, and it also helps them gain followers, because Meal Deals will be connecting customers who might like their recipes, who might like their content, to the influencers as well. So it's a win-win on both sides.
Yeah, and we also stated before that we will be maybe planning to collaborate with supermarkets, and this is also a win-win for both sides, because by collaborating with supermarkets, users can see the deals on those supermarkets, and the supermarkets might gain more customers, and Meal Deals will gain more users, and this is also a win-win situation with, like, we can make it a business opportunity, something like this.
Okay, fantastic. I think you've answered all the questions from the judges and community really well. So thank you so much for your presentation today.